Hey everybody, this is Peter at We Are Airstream of Chandler. Welcome you to our new store here in Chandler with all of our inventory. We invite you to come on down, walk through a whole bunch of our units and see what we have to offer you. Today we're going to look at a brand new 2022 28-foot flying cloud. This is a brand new 2022 Flying Cloud 28-foot rear bed twin. We make this in a twin bed configuration and a queen bed configuration. I'm just gonna kind of show you some of the exterior features. Obviously you have propane tanks right here and a motorized hitch and auto hitch. That way you can put the light on, adjust the hitch height just at a push of a button. 28 foot is a very, very popular floor plan. Comes with rock guards, window guards. The rock guards that we use for our units are stainless steel versus the aluminum on the body. The rock guards are put here specifically to help deflect rocks and any debris that's coming off of your tow vehicle. These are removable. You can also open them up and swing behind them and clean. But if you ever were to get a whole bunch of rock chips and that sort of thing on your rock guards, you can certainly replace them. The windows, these wraparounds do not open, but they do allow you to open them up and clean behind them. So if you're doing a long trip where there's a lot of rain or snow and they get all mucky back behind here, you can certainly clean them and make it really easy. And these are put on for the same reason as these are, to protect the windows against glancing rocks that might be coming off your tow vehicle. Double axle configuration here, 28 foot. Allows for a very, very easy tow experience due to the fact that it has the double axle there as well. You've got separate screen with a little access there, and of course our patented Airstream door only takes about 8 hours to assemble this door, and it does close like a bank vault, just like the content says on the website. As we kind of walk around here, the nice thing that you get with a twin bed configuration is some additional storage space. We have one of these on the other side as well, so that way 2 tires here, tire chocks go right in, and then you can close it right up. You have an awning. Everything comes with an awning. All of our traditional shaped trailers come with an awning. This is a mechanical awning, so this one comes on down by your own accord. It's very easy to set up. Once you get the process down, it only takes a couple minutes to do it, and it's adjustable as well. If we come around to the back, you get a rear bumper. It's also a nice little area to put additional items in here, generally things that you'd like to, if they're wet, extra hoses or any tools that you don't mind having wet in here. And this goes down and locks, and then this is the back access area here as well. So 2 on each side and then 1 in the back. When we come around, all the windows here, these wonderful little porthole windows that we have. Every one of our units also comes with an exterior shower with a hot and cold shutoff and an actual nozzle as well. Behind here, we have tankless hot water heater, and that's a new feature starting in 2021. Tankless hot water heater, so that way you have never-ending hot water when you're either hooked up to a water source or if you're using water out of your capacity tank. Now we're going to take a look at the inside of this 28-foot Flying Cloud. The inside color is our Carolina Clay, which is kind of an off brown kind of color. We also make it in a gray, what's called Seattle Mist as well. This trailer does sleep up to 6 essentially. We got the 2 beds behind, and then this is a couch that converts into a bed as well. Very easy. Also, it's planned so that way if people are sleeping and someone else wants to go outside, they're not having to crawl over anybody to do that. And then this dinette also goes down and sleeps too as well, without inhibiting anybody from doing any cooking or preparing meals. One of the other cool little storage features in this is this little opening area right here. It's kind of hidden back behind. There's a lot of space underneath here, and our lockers here. Obviously you open up, we've got a ton of space. Airstream does a great job of being ingenious with where they're going to put their storage. I haven't walked more than 2 or 3 feet and we're looking at all the additional areas. You have radio, works off of Bluetooth as well, so you can use your phone or any sort of media for music. DVD player that works both of the TVs. We've got dimmer switches on the units here too, so that way the LED lights, they put in a slightly softer bulb this year, so that way it's not so bright. And so you can certainly dim all these down. Got switches all over the place for all the different light configurations. These lights work individually as well. If we were to come over here to the kitchen, very contemporary shape to the kitchen sink. In here, super deep sink as well. And then all of our monitors right here. So we've got Victron controller, we've got tank monitors, we've got inverters, we've got your water heater, and then the cooktop 3-burner. This particular unit also has been chosen with the convection microwave that will replace the regular oven. So you can have a convection microwave in here and have 2 for 1 instead of just having a regular oven. That's a very nice option. Vent fan and light as well to make the cooking experience as pleasant as you would have one at home. This right here is a Norcold fridge that we're putting in all of our 2022 units. This is an all-electric fridge that can operate off the battery or shore power, which then also allows for quite a bit more space inside. Now that we've taken out the propane option, it does open it up quite a bit. Also lets venting on the outside as well. I'm showing the family room TV right here. Both of the TVs, both this one and the one in the bedroom, are connected to an HD antenna, and that comes standard. Essentially what that means is that anybody who's broadcasting anything in HD, regardless of where you're camping, you'll be able to pick that up. We have the curtains here. These are privacy curtains. We have them on both sides. It allows you to completely close off the master and the bathroom if you like, or you can close off just the master to allow access to the bathroom and the shower for guests right here, or you can close them both off and have a nice little pass-through right here, so you have the privacy there. This is a very ample bathroom right here with a nice vanity as well, porcelain toilet, and a very large bathroom sink, plus a lot of additional storage. I'm 6'1". I fit very, very comfortably in this bathroom setup. I'm actually almost 6'2", but I'm shrinking by the day, so we're gonna go 6'1" at the moment. Shower right here, and of course there's a stool right here on the inside too to make it extremely comfortable. Also, as I just referenced, I'm almost 6'2", and I have shoes on, so barely grazing the very top. Okay, here is the twin bedroom setup right here. Extra long mattresses. In this particular model, you've got lockers space right here. So his and her closets, and then his and her lockers here as well. Bedside table, which allows for a very large drawer so you can put bedside stuff. We have USB charging ports all throughout in here as well, so that way you can charge phones. And again, large amounts of storage. So that exterior storage and interior storage is sealed off. Both of them are sealed off from each other, so you have your stuff inside, cannot get to it from the outside. It is sealed there. So quite a bit of storage, and one of the nice perks about a twin bed setup is you have all this extra walking space right here. So to the eye, it makes the unit actually feel a little bit bigger than it is. It's already a very large coach, but 28 foot kind of feels almost like a 33 foot, which is the biggest coach we make, just because you have all this additional walking space right here. One of the things I didn't mention is our Airstream air conditioning. It's a ducted system, which works off the 2 units that I showed outside. All of them are directional, and then you can close each and every one of these. That way, if you want to limit air capacity here and primarily put it in one of the other spaces of the coach, you can certainly do that. Or if you'd like it a little less, not blowing on you this way, and you want to blow it that way, you can certainly customize it a little bit. Makes it very, very easy. And hence I say Airstream, because it is extremely quiet. When it is operating, it's very, very quiet. The TV in the bedroom is located on this side of the trailer, but it also is directional at an angle, and it's fully adjustable. You can bring it on in, make it so that way it's pleasurable viewing experience for both of you, regardless of which bed you're sleeping in. So feel free to come on down to Chandler and check out this unit or any of our other inventory. We are Airstream Superstore. You can feel free to look us up online at weareairstreamsuperstore.com, or please subscribe to our YouTube channel.